volcanoes, so let's try making a lemon volcano and see if that extincts the dinosaur. So first, let's scoop out lemon. Make sure you have adult supervision for this experiment. Luckily, my mom is putting me on camera, so I know I'm safe. Still scooping, and then you're gonna want to add some food dye if you want it to be colorful, which I want it, and I choose blue. Whoop! Okay, now we're gonna add some baking soda.
And stir it up, right?
Stir it. It's acting like a volcano! Whoa! A blue volcano, but that didn't work. I guess that's not how dinosaurs were extinct. I want to hear some facts about it. Dinosaurs lived over 1,000,000 years ago. And my volcano is still running. Some of them eat plants, which are herbivores, and like this,